Does everyone else with multiple cats have just like a sitcom of personality types happening? Alfred! Yeah, he has no clue what's going on. Puppy! You want a pizza? There you go. Oh no, you just want love? Okay. Oh, hi! Where'd you come from? They are catnipped out. Alright, so this stuff is coveted. I'm going to hold on to this. Yeah, what'd you think about that? You like that? What, Alfred? Pick your slice. There's plenty. Of course you want the same one Puppy has. Okay, that's sweet. You're trying to smoosh it out of him? You gonna share? You want some too, babe? You don't want to share? Oh, hi. Where'd you come from? Is Puppy hogging all the pizza? King Puppy. Of course he is. Puppy is guarding that thing with his life, huh? Is he not gonna share? Puppy. Oh. Hi, baby. Puppy, why don't you share your pizza? Why isn't he sharing with you? He's just having a good old time. Good old time. You being cute over there? Are you being cute? Oh, hello. Sorry, we need attention. Oh, I didn't even see you hiding over here. Oh, you just want attention. Here, Bubba. Oh, you just want some? Crazy. Puppy doesn't want to share. Does that hurt your feelings? Why don't you want to share the pizza box, baby? I don't know, Betty. I don't know what the deal is, but... Oh, he's tucking those paws. That means he's going to be there for a minute. That's sweet, Betty. You're trying to win him over? No, you just want the box too? You just want the coveted spot? Yeah, he'll let you have it at some point. Flip! Oh, don't want to forget about you there. You were all set, just looking from above. What are you, like a watchtower cat? Okay. Say bye. Bye, Betty. Bye, Puppy Dale.